Gift Nifty's early cues suggest 2026 opening session may lack fireworks. This comes against the backdrop of Wall Street's muted close in 2025's final session, with the classic Santa rally showing signs of exhaustion amid extremely overbought conditions. Our call of the day: optimism is still likely to greet Dalal Street, with both Nifty and Bank Nifty keeping their all-time highs firmly in sight on an interweek perspective. We say so because fear of missing out, FOMO, could actually be seen ruling traders' mindset as bargain hunting and value buying can be the preferred theme. Long story short, after yesterday's spectacular year-end surge, the benchmark may enter a phase of healthy consolidation, in a session where volumes are expected to remain razor-thin and price action more measured. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3597 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 6760 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest a consolidation day. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 9.48 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.15 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.09. Nifty outlook: the silver lining remains firmly in place and centrally optimism continues to glow across Dalal Street, supported by growing whispers of another quarter-point rate cut by the U.S. Federal Reserve and the RBI. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26130. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 26,000 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,326 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26050 and 26250. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85221. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 84,705 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,739 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,000 and 86,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 59582. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,187 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,115 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,300 and 60300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. It's the first trading day of the year, 2026. And like we always do, we will go straight to the charts and also start analyzing derivatives, fundamental and sentimental themes. But before that, we would like to wish all our readers a wonderful new year filled with abundance, joy, and treasured moments. Most importantly, a super-duper profitable 2026. Outlook for today's session: the first session of 2026 has little in the way of fireworks. Volatility is likely to be hallmark, as waking up markets will be two catalysts like 1. December monthly auto sales data to trickle in today. 2. FIIs were in a selling spree in yesterday's positive session to the tune of 3,597 rupees and 40 paise CR. Meanwhile, Nifty ended 2025 with a bullish bang, up 10.51%, marking its 10th consecutive calendar year of positive returns, a remarkable show of market resilience and depth. The performance of other sectoral indices for the calendar year 2025. Nifty PSU Bank, plus 30.46%. Nifty Auto Index, plus 23.45%. Bank Nifty, plus 17.15%. Nifty Infra Index, plus 13.62%. Nifty PSE Index, plus 3.37%. Nifty Realty Index, minus 16.57%. Nifty Pharma, minus 2.94%. Nifty FMCG Index, minus 2.33%. Nifty Midcap, plus 10.15%. Nifty Small Cap, minus 5.62%. Stocks in Spotlight. 1. Vodafone Idea, minus 11.53%, 10 rupees and 67 paise, slides despite Agar relief. Shares of Vodafone Idea plunged despite reports suggested the Union Cabinet has approved an adjusted gross revenue (Agar) relief package for Vodafone Idea. The government has given its nod for a 5-year moratorium on the Agar dues of the telecom giant, the report added. As on yesterday's close, the stock slipped below its follow-on public offer price of 11 rupees, highlighting investor concerns over the company's long-term financial sustainability despite near-term regulatory support. 2. Bharat Forge, plus 1.06%, 1470, wins contract of 1,661.9 rupees crore from Ministry of Defence.